In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create, edit, and send emails in ConvertKit. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to connect with their audience effectively and efficiently. Whether you're reaching out to your entire subscriber list or just a specific segment, ConvertKit offers you the tools to do so with ease and precision. Let's start at the beginning. Open ConvertKit and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home dashboard. This is your main hub for all things email marketing. If you look to the left sidebar, you'll see several options. Focus on the Send section and click on Broadcasts. In ConvertKit, broadcasts are essentially one-off emails designed to reach a group of your subscribers. This feature is perfect for newsletters, announcements, or any communication that you want to send out just once. Now it's time to roll up your sleeves and create a new email. You'll notice a button labeled Plus New Broadcast. Click it, and this kicks off a new email draft. At this stage, you face a crucial decision, choosing your recipients. ConvertKit offers flexible options here. Send your broadcast to all subscribers or refine your audience by selecting specific segments or tags. Targeting specific groups is incredibly useful when personalizing your message or zeroing in on a particular audience within your subscriber list. Having chosen your recipients, the spotlight now shifts to the email editor. This is where the magic happens, crafting the content of your email. Start with your subject line, a key opportunity to grab the reader's attention. Make it compelling and relevant. Once that's set, dive into writing the main body of your email. This is your stage to let creativity shine, ensuring your content is both clear and engaging. And don't forget to make the most of the formatting tools at your disposal. You can add bold text to emphasize crucial points, insert links when necessary, and even include images, buttons, or other elements to enhance interaction and visual appeal. Once your email content is polished and ready, click on Continue to proceed to the review stage. This is your moment to double check everything before hitting that send button. Carefully review your subject line, ensure your recipient list is accurate, and take a moment to preview the email. This preview step is vital as it helps you catch any last-minute typos or formatting issues. Your final task is deciding when to send your email. You're presented with two options: send it immediately using Send Now, or adopt a more strategic approach by scheduling it to send later. Scheduling is a fantastic option if you wish to synchronize your email with specific times known to maximize audience engagement. And that's a wrap. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering email communication through ConvertKit. Keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll be effortlessly connecting with your audience, delivering content that truly resonates with them.